In July 1999, in Tulia, Texas, there was a drug bust that rounded up 46 people, 39 of whom were innocent African Americans. The remaining detainees were whites that lived in the black part of town. A third of Tulia's black males were arrested in the bust, about 15% of the town's black population. All charges were based on the word of undercover officer Tom Coleman, who made his living traveling through poor rural Texas offering to work undercover cheaply for underfunded police departments. Coleman claimed to have made over 100 drug buys in the town. He never recorded any of the alleged sales, but claimed to have written painstaking notes on his leg, under his shorts, and upper arm under his shirt sleeve when nobody was looking. During the roundup, no large sums of money, illegal drugs, drug paraphernalia, or illegal weapons were found. Those arrested showed no signs of having any income associated with selling drugs. The drugs Coleman claimed to have bought from the accused did not have the fingerprints of the accused on them or their baggies. No independent witnesses could corroborate Coleman's claims. In his testimony, Coleman gave an accurate description of the dealers from whom he had allegedly bought cocaine. Although most had an alibi, many of the accused, seeing the long sentences dealt by all-white juries in earlier cases, pled guilty in return for lighter sentences despite their innocence. The remaining defendants were convicted solely on the basis of Coleman's testimony. The Texas Department of Public Safety and Texas Attorney General John Curran awarded Lawman of the Year to Coleman. Amarillo civil rights attorney Jeff Blackburn began investigating the Tulia defendant's case along with civil rights organizations and a handful of attorneys from firms around the country. Eventually, the cases gained attention, and money was raised to legally challenge the cases. Many had already served several years in prison before this process gained momentum. On August 22, 2003, Texas Governor Rick Perry pardoned 35 of the people arrested. By 2004, Blackburn and his team had freed the rest of the Tulia 46, and a $6 million collective settlement was reached to avoid further litigation in civil court. In 2005, Coleman was convicted of perjury and sentenced to 10 years probation and a $7,500 fine.